Digital products, no face, no clients. Create once, sell many times. Heavy checkmark ebooks/notes/PDFs. Exam notes, guest papers, solved MCQs. Sell via Facebook groups, Telegram, or WhatsApp broadcast. Very popular in Pakistan for board exams. Heavy checkmark print on demand, pod. Design. T-shirts. Mugs. Phone covers. Upload designs on pod platforms. No inventory, no delivery hassle. 3. Online business models. Heavy checkmark dropshipping. Create an online store. Supplier ships products directly to customers. You handle marketing and orders only. Heavy checkmark reselling digital services. Sell. Website packages. Social media management. SEO services. You act as a middleman and outsource work. 4. Remote jobs, not freelancing. Heavy checkmark online data entry/virtual assistant. Fixed monthly salary. Tasks, emails, records, scheduling. Heavy checkmark online tutoring platforms. Teach through platforms instead of finding clients yourself. Stable and structured work. 5. AI and automation-based income, trending. Heavy checkmark sell AI-generated content. Create. Social media posts. Short scripts. Resume templates. Sell to small businesses. Heavy checkmark build and sell chatbots. Create basic chatbots for schools, shops, service centers. Monthly maintenance income. 6. Stock-based income. Heavy checkmark sell stock photos/videos. Upload photos, illustrations, or videos. Earn passive income per download. No personal branding needed. 7. Blogging, without affiliate links. Earn through Google AdSense. Sponsored posts. Focus on education. Local information. How-to guides. Best options for beginners, fast and low risk. Selling PDF notes/courses. Online teaching, private batches. Remote online job, VA or tutoring. How we can earn money online. AI-based digital products. In today's digital age, earning money online has become easier and more popular. With a mobile phone, computer, and internet connection, people can work from home and earn income legally. Online earning provides flexibility, saves time, and offers many opportunities for students, teachers, and professionals. One common way to earn money online is freelancing. Freelancers offer services such as writing, graphic designing, video editing, data entry, and programming on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. People are paid according to their skills and completed work. Another popular method is YouTube and content creation. By creating useful or entertaining videos, people can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency and quality content are important for success. Online teaching and tutoring is also a good source of income. Teachers can give online classes or sell recorded courses. Many students learn through online platforms, which creates good earning opportunities. People can also earn through blogging and affiliate marketing. By writing articles and promoting products, they can earn commission on each sale made through their links. In conclusion, earning money online is possible with hard work, patience, and skills. If used properly, online earning can become a reliable source of income and even help build a better future.